Hi guys, it's Moz here, and on the workbench I have the new Dragon 2022 catalogue, and we're going to look at it page by page. So if you've not been on this channel before, you would know that I film these catalogues page by page, and finally I've got this one sent to me, which is brilliant. And the best way to look at these catalogues, or to watch them I should say, is to go to the settings and click quality, and then go to 1080, and then you'll be able to see it in all of its glory. Obviously just press pause at any time if there's something that catches your eye, but I normally turn the page every 5 to 7 seconds, and you can see what the manufacturers are bringing to us this year. So let's get into it. This is the Dragon 2022 catalogue. Enjoy. Very much like Dragon, I don't build enough, but then again I don't have the opportunity to buy a lot of Dragon. Opening up the front page, you will notice that they're starting off basically just showboating their 1 to 35 World War II military, so a lot of their armour straight off the bat. On the actual first page you can see that they go for the detail here, just showing you some of the pictures of what you're going to get in some of the kits. But yeah, you start off, they do these smart kits. I've never built one, so if anybody knows what the smart kits are like, just leave a comment in the comments box, and I will have a read. So nothing too much showing there. They've got Gen 2 written in here as well, so I don't understand, you know, all the extra lingos, etc. I'm assuming there's a Generation 2 coming our way. Again, smart kits here, smart kits. So I presume they're just really easier to build. They've got a premium edition here. But these are all just box arts, really, inside the catalogue. And I haven't, as of yet, I've not seen anything new. Hopefully they'll show us some new kits here. This one's a Neo Smart kit. Just moving on through. Sometimes they have modelers who have who've built the models and they put their pictures in. But a lot of this is mostly box art. Some nice ones done there. I think there must be Koreans building these tanks. They look fabulous. Moving through, nothing much else there. No, they're not showing anything new here. So I'm assuming they're not releasing anything new. No, nothing there. Nothing new there. Which is a bit strange. Maybe there's a whole page of new kits as we go through. No, nothing here I can see that's new. 1:35 scale Middle Eastern War series, which looks pretty cool. Sorry about the glare. It's a bit glossy, this catalogue. That must be a newish looking kit because they've just got some sort of CAD design on that one, which would be interesting. Then we go into the 1:72 armour. As I've not really built anything of Dragon of late. Yeah, so this must be a newish looking kit there because it's just got a lot of CAD designs there. A GTK boxer. They've got a Nagma shot there, which is looking very much like a CAD design. No box art on that one, so that might be a new one. The M1A3, a 3D Pro, they call in these. Interesting, isn't it? Just interesting. But I'm pretty sure that by the end of this year, all these kits will be available to buy. Yeah. Yeah, not really much. This one. Then they've gone to the 1:32 scale Warbirds. The Nak Jagger there. And the 1:44 Warbirds. Stealth Fighter. Attack Helicopter. That stealth helicopter, Operation Geronimo, that's the one that killed Osama bin Laden. Know about these Warbirds? Yeah, they're on about this. They're calling it Wing Tech 2. Not much is being said about this. Apparently, their brilliant designs ensures wing joints are cleverly hidden beneath the curved leading edge of the upper wing to ensure hassle-free construction. So there should be no putty or sanding required. And these are supposed to be the kits that, you know, they just fit like you know, shake and bakes, like a glove, so you don't need to do any sanding or filling. I'd like to see that because I've never seen a kit that does need some sort of filler, or well, the Tamiya exceptions. Like there was some, mind you, some of the old Tamiya kits need a bit of filler in. So yeah, as I said, nothing really new in this one. They do a few boats in this one, a few ships. The USS Lyndon B. Johnson. I think that's released by another manufacturer. To be honest, it could be a Dragon kit, but it's released as well by somebody else. Then you have the Black Label kits. I say no idea, and then just some bump there about the innovation and technology. And then they can't spell technology right because I'm sure there's an N in there somewhere. Technology. They have the Razor Edge. Develop the perfect, most advanced slide mode technology. The Magic Track apparently is exceptional. I've heard people have said it's who've done this. They said it's quite good, and also they do some really good weld seams as well. But yeah, that's really the catalogue through and through. Not really much to report on this one, but yeah, there you go. That was a page by page look into the 2022 Dragon catalogue. And just by looking at that, releases, you tell me. Put them in the comments below if you've built a Dragon kit. I love to hear your stories. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell and select all to be notified when I release a new video. If you'd like to help the channel with money, you can become a member, and there are membership perks for being a member. Membership start for $1.99, and on the screen now are all the names of the people who are members, and I'm extremely grateful for them. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.